I'm going to repair this sheet. You can see it has some holes. This was made when I removed the glue. These are the rest of the glue I removed. So I took most of it, and the rest here are not important. And I have some drying paper and some Rimae. I will apply a layer of paste, which is just a mixture of flour and water. It's not important if the Rimae is dirty, as one of the properties of the Rimae is that it won't glue to it won't stick to the paste. And now I will take some of this Japanese paper. It's Japanese berry seam paper. And with the folder I make sure it goes even. With no wrinkles, or less little as possible. It's not important if the paper gets dirty of paste, as it will be barely noticeable once it's dry, but I still like to remove as much as possible. Now I will apply another piece of Rimae so it doesn't stick to anything else other than where it has to be. Another piece of drying paper, and I will put it in the press for some time until it is dry, and once it's dry it's good enough to go.